The market is relatively calm at the opening of the Asian session on Monday. It's no surprise as macroeconomic data published last week in the United States and the eurozone was in line with the market expectations. The results generated no reaction from the market. This week, however, a row of important economic statistics will come out in the United States. That is why market participants should be on the alert. Let's now analyze the market in detail. Early on Monday, the US dollar is rising against the euro and the Japanese yen. Meanwhile, investors await the publication of a batch of macroeconomic data in the United States. The US dollar index is generally stable. It has not practically changed since the beginning of the session. It keeps trading at 91.80. Overall, USDX is expected to increase in the state of the US economy improves. However, if the results come out worse than expected, it's likely to trade within the 91.90 and 91.50 range. Statistics set to be published on Wednesday will determine a further movement of the index. At the same time, it has been challenging for the global stock market to extend the upward trend. Notably, Japan's stocks are now at the level of the first week of February. This means that USD JPY's bullish trend is about to end. Today, the quote is expected to reverse. Most likely, the pair will plunge to the nearest support level of 110.50. If so, the next target is seen at the mid-May high of 109.90. We assume that the price will reach the target. In any case, all this is confirmed by technical and fundamental analysis. So far, the state of the European market has been neutral. The Australian dollar is trying to increase following suit of the commodity market. If the bullish trend extends, the Aussie may well break its Friday high of 0.7618. Alternatively, if the price reverses from this level, the quote is likely to go down to 0.7542. We should better wait for a clearer signal that is to come from the market reaction to new macroeconomic data in the United States and commodity market results. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.